messy, happily, and family. Fun gardening.
Hello everyone. Before we start this video, we would love to give a shout out to Breast Cancer Awareness Month and to support all the people that have lost or have people that are suffering from breast cancer during this time right now. I have actually had someone dear to me that has died from breast cancer. So this creation is mostly for my grandma and other people, not only for her, but we support you guys. And right now what I am doing is I am showing you guys how to make a pathway design. What you want to do is you want to level the ground, and to know how it is leveled, if the bubble that's floating around is in the middle. Okay. So let's go ahead and level this right here. There we go, it is level. You want to grab your plastic and place it down to the ground that you just leveled to make sure you have no weeds. Do is you want to place your stones, whatever stones you have. These two right here were about $1 per one that you get. This one was about $4 or $5 right here. So let's go ahead and place these down. We have completed putting down the stones, so now it is time to level them to make sure it is leveled. This one's leveled. That one is also leveled. And that one is leveled. So we are going to use those rocks right there to fill in the cracks and patches that are not filled. So then once we get to smaller patches that the big rocks won't fit in, that is when we will use our gravel. The last and final step is to get your gravel and place it in the small patches that have not been filled by rocks. Thank you for watching this video.
This is how to fix a crack in your sidewalk. And for us specifically, we have a water line underneath. So if you do not want to cover your water line area to allow easy digging, this is a solution.
It's a family thing where everyone is involved. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and see you again soon. Bye-bye.